Mistplay, Cash Giraffe and Rewarded Play all pay you for playing mobile games, but they don't measure rewards the same way, which is why users often think one is better, when it really depends on how fast you want progress and how many games you can cycle through. By the end, you'll understand how each app actually pays, what slows down earnings in each one, and which one makes the most sense depending on your playstyle. Mistplay pays you units for playing specific games it recommends. You install a game from their list, play it, and earn rewards based on time spent and in-game activity. The main limit is that earnings depend heavily on which games are currently available in your region. Cash Giraffe works similarly but focuses more on task-based game progression. You install games, complete milestones inside them, and earn points that convert into rewards once you hit a threshold. The key limitation is offer availability, and how quickly you can complete each game goal. Rewarded Play also uses a points system tied to gameplay. You earn rewards by playing selected games and reaching milestones, then cash out once you accumulate enough points. Like the others, earnings depend on how many active game offers you get. Mistplay is usually the most structured because it gives you a clear list of supported games and tracks your progress inside each one. That makes it predictable, but it can feel limited if you don't like the available games. Cash Giraffe feels more flexible because it cycles through different game offers and lets you grind multiple tasks across different apps. That flexibility helps, but it also means earnings can vary depending on what's currently available. Rewarded Play sits in the middle. It has a simpler interface, but the earning pace depends on how often you rotate through games and how quickly you complete each milestone. In terms of consistency, Mistplay tends to feel more stable because it tracks gameplay across fewer, more structured titles. Cash Giraffe can fluctuate more because offers change more frequently. Rewarded Play depends heavily on how active you are each day. Time investment also differs. Mistplay rewards longer play sessions in fewer games. Cash Giraffe spreads progress across multiple shorter tasks. Rewarded Play sits between both, depending on which games you choose. None of these apps guarantee income, and all of them rely on available game offers, so earnings can slow down when fewer new games are introduced. Quick ranking summary. Mistplay is best for structured and consistent gameplay. Cash Giraffe is best for flexible grinding across multiple offers, and Rewarded Play is a middle ground option with simpler navigation. If you want stability, Mistplay is strongest. If you want variety and flexibility, Cash Giraffe fits better. If you want something simple without much setup, Rewarded Play is the easiest to start. If this helped, like and subscribe for more comparison breakdowns like this.